Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I want to discuss about the kingdom protista. So stay tuned guys. Here we see that there are two types of classification of protista, such as algae and protozoa. According to this slide, we can see that obviously algae can spray it based on the color, while the protozoa can spray it based on the locomotion. Here we see that there are examples for phylum Algae and phylum Protozoa. This slide is about the revision what I have said it before it. For the first one of unit of characteristic for eukaryotes it enclosed nucleus and membrane enclosed organelle. When see this slide is about the autotroph and heterotroph organism. Autotroph organism can make its own food, while the heterotroph organism need other organism to survive their life. Later is about the body form, which is contain the unicellular colony and simple multicellular, which is the unicellular colony can form the colony. For this slide, many protists such as algae are photosynthetic and are vital primary producer in ecosystem. Here, when you see that there are 5 specific of unique characteristics of algae, so I will describe the rest of the unique characteristics at the next slide. The first one of the unique characteristic of algae is photosynthesis, which photosynthesis can produce their own nourishment by using light energy. And the second one is about the not differentiate leaves, stem, and root. Third is about the great diversity in structure, which is the unicellular to simple filamentous or to huge seaweeds. There are 4 errors, and it's about the description of the great diversity. There are 2 types of reproduction of algae, such as sexual and asexual. Here, there are 5 specific of unique characteristics of protozoa. This slide is about there are 3 types of appendage for movement that protozoa have, such as flagella, cilia, and pseudopodia. The next of the unique characteristics of protozoa, such as mostly are free-living and parasite pathogenic. Lastly, there are 2 types habitat that protozoa stay, such as in water and very damp surface. The mode of nutrition of protozoa such as heterotrophy, autotrophy, and parasite, and it has the reproduction of sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction, and lastly, it becomes the animal life.